Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today we have day 7 of the Advent calendars for 2025. I have soft squares, a large Advent box, and then the Missouri Star Quilt Company, their box, 25 days of each. Let's start with Missouri Star Quilt Company for a different change. This is day 7. Oh, that's nice. A little file folder. This is elastic. And you open it up. You see that there are 2 little containers, little storage envelopes that you can put. It says organize your 5-inch squares, applique stencils, and applique shapes. I will probably put my applique shapes in here. In fact, the ones that we received yesterday would work good. I don't know where I stuck them, but they would work good in this. And this is from Missouri Star Quilt Company. That is nice. And from Soft Squares, this is box 7, day 7. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is beautiful. It's a Summit box, my bestie. The value of this is $16. And let's see if I can put that up here. There's a little pin cushion with a magnet on the back. These are great that they can hold your needle when you're doing hand sewing. It's cute. Box B, day 7. Here are a bunch of fun little notions. Quilters go through a lot of these things, so hopefully they are needed in your quilt room. The 7x7 plastic storage box is the best notion of all. There are 2 different containers of Mary Ellen's Best Press starch, spray starch. A So Easy basting glue. That's nice to use. You can use that one on your binding. Washi tape. Everybody loves washi tape. I'll probably use this for my card making. Then there are 2 packages of magic pins. They look like they're identical. These are nice. The fork pins, they go on each side of your seam. And then the flathead, just nice for holding down your seams. So receive those. And then this little container, and I'm sure it's to put the pins in. So that was great. That's it. A bunch of cute things for day 7. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in the Advent calendar, Advent boxes for day 7. Come back tomorrow for day 8. Thank you.